So we got a new project rig I'm gonna share with you. It's a Jeep Cherokee 1989. We're gonna try and unload it off the trailer today.
This tank has a split in it.
Woo. Is that the radiator tank?
Yeah.
We pull it? Russell just noticed that the radiator tank is split. So this Jeep has a history of overheating almost instantly. And we're not sure why. Maybe thermostat, could be the fact that the coolant tank has a big old split, so he's adding it.
See it dripping?
Oh, it's great. Like there's a puddle underneath.
When it overheated earlier, it was spraying.
Oh yeah, I see where it's all wet.
This is the mechanical fan. This is an electric fan. When the coolant in the radiator gets a certain temp, this is supposed to kick on.
We've got big plans for this. All the running gear. We'll see about the engine. I'm not sure if we're going to replace that or not. Just see how it goes. Suspension changes. I'm going to see how much I can learn about rebuilding an off-road rig. It should be fun. Instead of power steering fluid, right? Then we'll attempt to drive it off. This is going to be a great rig to have for dogs, heading down to the river, heading up to the mountain. Just anytime we need like a all-wheel drive something for general purpose use. I think this will be a really good rig for that. Plus we can take it out to the dunes, tool around on the dunes, just all sorts of fun things. So I'm excited for this build. Russell's aunt has probably had this, well, she's had it for maybe 15 years. The last 2 or so years it's been sitting because she's had issues with overheating, she's had electrical issues, lots of different problems, so she hasn't actually even been driving it. I think the license plate shows it was last licensed in April of 2020.
It's like, looks like rusty water inside the brake match or something.
Oh, what caused that?
Sitting.
Just sitting.
Brake fluid naturally draws moisture.
Oh.
And then what happens is the moisture will go down to the lowest point. And then it basically rusts all the metal there because it's not like your slave cylinders and your brake calipers. Those aren't made out of like stainless steel or anything. They're just iron. So they rust up with the water.
Well, that explains the brake issue.
Yeah.
So this is going to need completely new brakes, which was obvious to me when we were getting it on the trailer because I pushed a brake and they went completely to the floor and I felt like I had no brake at all. I had to use the emergency brake.